Hey guys, welcome, and today I'm going to talk about the branching and little bit advanced stuff of the Python. So let's start. Okay, so let's continue with the topic where we have defined the Python variable, and let's try to do something more. Now we are having a branching, or what you call the if-else statement in Python in programming language, and in Python it's very easy. For example, let's delete this and let's start doing it. I have defined one variable 5, and I have defined one variable, and let's take some input and output also. So in Python, if you want to print something, you can easily use the print function, right? So that we have already seen. You can print it and it will do. But if I want to take some input and runtime input I want to take, so there is a function which is available. Now that's a is equal to input. And if I provide that input, it will automatically, when I run, it will ask me the input. If I provide 4, it will print as 4, variable as 4. Whatever input I'm providing, it's 4. You can see that. If I'm running it, I'm providing India, for example. It will print in that variable. So by default, input the data type it will take as string. So even if I'm let's check the data type. Okay, so if I'm providing 4, I'm running it, you can see it will take automatically as a string data type. So that is one more thing you have to be careful whenever you're taking an input. Be careful with that it will automatically take input like 500 if I'm doing it. See, it has automatically taken a string data type. Okay, so let me take some input and I want to check. So if that input which I have taken is greater than 500 or greater than 1000 or not, so I want to check. So it's like an if-else condition. I have to put if a is greater than 100. Let's, for example, print a is greater than 100, or else I want to print a is smaller than 100. So right now you can see that what if else statement we are having right now. So if you don't have to provide any parenthesis or any condition which we used to do in generally we used to do in C++, Java, we have to define the parenthesis or something. Python directly work on indentation, so we don't have to define the variable data types or anything. You can easily provide the space like a, the condition. So it follows the Boolean. You have the whatever logic you are putting here has to be Boolean. So if a is greater than 100 or not, it will return me a Boolean, either true or false. So if it will be true, it will fall under this block. Otherwise, if we go to else block, we'll see the else if part as well. But right now, just focus on this. And so I'm looking for the condition. And whenever I'll provide this kind of, so it has to colon is important, and I'll provide the enter, it will automatically take the indentation. And if you are having some problem in indentation, you can take the tab button or the 4th space bar. So the 4th space bar you can provide. You can see that right now I do the enter and it will automatically work. So right now, if, for example, I am here, I don't know how to, and if I try to run it, see, it will say the expected and indented block. So it will automatically throw an error. So I have to do tab and I'll run it. And let's, for example, let's take 49 and run it. Okay, so there's an error. It has thrown. Let's see what is the error. Type error, greater than not supported between